Attorney Ward, can you tell us about the general process of a divorce case?
A divorce case starts with an initial client interview of approximately 45 minutes to an hour. And at that interview, I'll get a history from the client of the client's background and his or her spouse's background. I'll get a history of the marriage. And the first thing that we will discuss are the reasons that brings the client to my office to discuss a divorce. The first question is filing for divorce a solution to what brings the client there? Lawyers are expected to try to engage clients in that thought process as to whether or not divorce is the answer, because the laws of our society and social policy favor marriage, especially where there are children. Occasionally, I'll speak to a client, and that client will decide they want to go back and try to save the marriage. And sometimes I never hear back from that person again. And oftentimes, I do hear back from them to file a divorce. The issues of divorce include custody and visitation and child support with our children, division of property, division of liabilities, debts, and in appropriate cases, alimony. The divorce process starts with a marshal serving the other spouse with a divorce complaint. With that complaint are served automatic orders that freeze the status quo with regard to property and children and all issues. Then a court hearing is held where the court enters temporary orders until the final hearing. And in court, a judge will not hear any contested issues in a divorce case without a family relations officer first meeting with the parties to mediate the issues, particularly issues regarding children. The divorce process in Connecticut is designed to try to get parties to agree how to untangle their lives. There are levels of procedures to accomplish that. Family relations mediation is one. A referral of the parties to a special master's mediator, 2 or 3 experienced lawyers is another. And the last is a judicial pretrial where the judge, before any trial takes place, meets with the lawyers and gives those lawyers his or her opinion to share with their clients as to how that experienced judge thinks the case should be resolved by agreement. Where an agreement is not reached, then we must prepare for trial. And in conclusion, I will say that as in any case, but particularly in divorce cases, a lawyer is both advocate and counselor. The advocate role has to do with negotiating on behalf of the client and advocating for the client in court. In order to accomplish the best result for the client, the counselor role is important as well in order to help the client get into the best frame of mind to deal with what can be an emotionally draining and overwhelming divorce process.